Hello everyone! Today we're going to draw a street using two-point perspective.
First, I start by drawing the horizon line, which represents the viewer's eye level.
On this line, we need 2 points. These will be our vanishing points for two-point perspective. Now I begin by drawing the corner of the first building. According to the rules of perspective, the lines I draw will extend toward the vanishing points.
To understand this better, I recommend watching without skipping.
Now I'm drawing our first building. Since it's a classical building, it will contain more details.
After marking the window section, I create arches for the doors and windows.
With modern architecture today, such buildings are rare, but I've always loved classical architecture. It deepens the soul of the street and adds aesthetic naturalness to our drawing.
Yeah.
I'm now creating this second building, also in classical architecture style. At every stage of the drawing, pay attention to how the lines move toward the vanishing points. Perspective drawings may look intimidating at first, but don't think that way. Once you understand the basics of perspective, everything slowly falls into place. Now let's make our street look more natural by adding trees. As the trees get closer to the vanishing point, they will appear smaller. I also add sidewalks in the foreground to give the drawing even more depth. With my 0.2 ink technical pen, I move on to the stage of clarifying my sketch lines. Since the drawing already has a solid foundation, the following steps will be much easier. Now I create darker areas using shading techniques with my pen. I completely erase the underlying sketch lines, leaving only the clean outlines. From this stage, I add textures to deepen the drawing. Using the pen lightly here is very important. I added a few more buildings in the background. I also added some people, which makes the street look more natural. Since the empty space at the top of the paper was bothering me, I decided to draw some clouds.
In this drawing, we started from the basics of two-point perspective street drawing and step-by-step developed our artwork.
Thank you for watching. I look forward to your support for more perspective drawing tutorials. See you next time.